So if you're having trouble or have a question about the project tracker, you can reach out by requesting support. Up here in the top, there is a help menu. One of the features of the help menu is this request support. So this is available on any page if you've got questions. So in this form, you'll be asked to select a subject line. These are the common things that we tend to get support requests about, including can't figure out how to update my project, can't log in. If you need an organization or a funding source added to the list, you can submit a support request for that, and an administrator will come in and add those organizations or funding sources for you so that you can use them on your project record. And then you can also just provide feedback. If you run into any bugs within the project tracker, you can use this form to let us know, or even things that you think are bugs, but just need an explanation about how they work. And then there's others here, such as requesting permissions. So you'll go ahead and select the subject and provide just a brief description of the issue you're having or the questions that you have. So when you submit this request for support, an email will go out to project tracker administrators. So that includes members of the partnership steering committee and to Sitka Technology Group. So hopefully from that list, you'll be getting to the correct person who can provide you with the information that you need. In addition to requesting support, up here in the help menu, there are a few different pages I want to point out. One is the training page. So the training that we're doing today, we'll take these videos and upload them onto this page. So if you need to come refer back to the how to set up a user account or how to add a project, those videos will be available right here in the training menu. There's also at the bottom here, documents. So we'll add the presentation that we just went over to the documents here and some other helpful documents for you to have some quick access to as you use the project tracker. Another feature of the help menu is a page with release notes. So the release notes are updates on new functionality that's been added to the system with a brief description of how it works. So as Sitka creates new features for the Project Firma project tracker, we intermittently come in here and update these notes. You won't get a notification about when this is updated. We do send about quarterly or a few times a year updates out to the Project Firma community about the new functionality. But if you're curious about what's going into the project tracker or how something works, this release notes page is available that you can search for different features and find out a little bit about how they work. And that goes back for many months here. If you have any questions about anything in the release notes or on the training, go ahead and request support and we'll make sure to get those questions answered.